Welcome back to Channel 5 News at noon. Your time is 12:27 on this Monday afternoon. And the winds have definitely picked up and they're starting to gust around 30 miles per hour in Brownsville, near the mid to lower 20 mile per hour range in McAllen and Weslaco. But look at the sustained wind speeds. That means constantly blowing out of the south anywhere between 12 and up to 20 miles per hour. So that's going to be the case for the rest of the day. The winds will remain elevated and then they'll gradually slow down overnight. Here is a live look outside courtesy of Sky 5, and finally some sunshine is starting to peek out from behind those clouds. But you know what? It's still warming up out there. We're right around 82 degrees here in Weslaco, and we're only going to get hotter as the afternoon goes on. Here's a look across the rest of the valley. It's even warmer in Rio Grande City right now, right around 87 degrees, and right around 82 to 84 elsewhere in the valley. So as the day goes on, we will continue to warm up, and we'll definitely have some gusty winds to contend with, at least for today and tomorrow. We've got some more changes on the way. Here's a better look across Texas. You look to the north and over Austin, it's 78, 64 up in the Panhandle. They've been getting some rain up there this morning, and now it's starting to move to the east, and you see a lot of the bulk of the rain headed toward the Gulf Coast states and toward the eastern seaboard. So that's another system trekking that way and potentially bringing not only some heavy rain, but some severe thunderstorms are possible this afternoon. But it looks like a lot of it kind of tails off as it goes over into Alabama, Georgia, and near the Panhandle of Florida, where they're just in that risk for an afternoon thunderstorm or so. But the rest of Texas is in the clear, and the northeastern portion is kind of out of the way from a lot of the severe activity for today. Now we are going to get a cold front. It'll roll through the valley throughout the day on Wednesday. It'll drop temperatures down to the 80s, but check this out. We have a very chilly start to the day on Thursday with temperatures in the mid 50s. Gradually warming up to about 69, possibly even 70 degrees. There will be mainly cloudy skies and a few peaks of sunshine here and there, but then by Friday it looks like those clouds lock in tight, and we will have more showers on the way with around a 40% chance for rain, and it's still going to keep it cool right there at about 70 degrees. So that's what the cold front is doing for Thursday and Friday, but it does look like we'll have a coastal system develop, and if it hangs on tight long enough, we could see a few more showers in the weekend, which I'll show you in your 7-day forecast coming up. Here is a look at the coastal waters. There are no advisories for today, with a moderate chop expected on the bay. Seas will range between 3 to 5 feet. Fishermen, your high tide is at 4:40 later on this afternoon. The winds will be out of the south-southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour, and it will be rather gusty, so just keep that in mind. Later on tonight, it'll be a little less breezy. We'll have the south-southeast winds at about 6 to 12 miles per hour. If they lighten up enough, we could even get some patchy fog late tonight into early tomorrow morning. Otherwise, partly cloudy with low temperatures near 71. But we'll rebound to about 94 degrees tomorrow. We'll get through those low clouds and the fog in the morning, and then that'll give way to some sunshine in the second half of the day. The gusts tomorrow will be up near 30 miles per hour, so get ready to hold on to your hats. But here come the changes. So your first 7-day forecast looks a lot like this. We'll be at 84 degrees on Wednesday, and then with a few showers in the forecast. We'll drop to about 55, okay? But then we'll rebound again to that 69 and 70 degree mark to wrap up the work week. As we head into the weekend, we still have cloudy skies with spotty showers on Saturday. Your rain chances look to be about 30 to 40% at this point in time. And then some of those showers will give way to maybe a stray shower or two on Sunday, and maybe even, if we get lucky, a few peaks of sunshine out from behind those thick clouds. And you'll notice that gradual warming. It'll take place Saturday going into Sunday, so we'll have 78, eventually warming up to 83 degrees. Your overnight lows will stay mild tonight near 71, and we'll drop to 55 Wednesday night, and then we'll gradually warm back up to the mid 60s by this weekend. And that's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Stay with us. Channel 5 News at noon. We'll be right back.